Joefraust'S channel video. I'm now your host and my creator Joefraust'S.
Hey everybody, so what do you think? His name is Blizzard. That's the latest Joefraust's creation. Here at Joefraust's, I'm learning how to make 3D created models for my next episodes or videos or wherever I feel like making. And I hope you like them. Blizzard, I'm out of here. Continue from here. Time to teleport out of here. Busy guy. Now it is. Peace.
Joefraust'S channel video. This is Blizzard saying thank you and stay tuned.